Come vacation with me and experience one of Malindi's luxurious resorts. But first, let's get to know each other. Dear Soft Lifer, I am Fiona, a lifestyle content creator, and here is what you'll be interacting with should you choose to tag along for the experience. I cover hotel experiences, restaurant reviews, golfing experiences, and overall soft living experiences. So if that is a community you would like to be a part of, do join by clicking the subscribe button and like this video. We were flying from Lamu to Malindi, a 30-minute flight with Safari Link. The drive to the resort, roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Seamless check-in process. The minute you drive in, all your stress flies away. For context purposes, I had been to the resort before, but only stayed at Billionaire Resort, so staying at Lion in the Sun was a completely new experience. Here is a glimpse of how the room looked like from my camera's point of view. If you like what you see, be sure to leave a comment below and like the video. I am pleasantly surprised by the size of the rooms. There is a private pool for each villa to be shared among the people living there. So if you're traveling as a friend group or a big family, this is an ideal hangout area. There's an extra pool that is dreamy and equally accessible to all residents. I'll let you enjoy the room tour, and should you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Do leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are of this lovely room, a Lion in the Sun at the Billionaire Resort.